Hey everybody, this is Nick at Maker Playground. Welcome to another Tool Tuesday.
Pay no attention to the holes in this wall. We're using one of the mock-up walls from our drywall class.
So today we're going to talk about how to hang heavy objects on your wall or objects where there is no stud on the center of where you want to hang it. The way we're going to do that is we're going to make a French cleat. We're going to make that out of a really cheap 1x4 scrap that you can buy at the hardware store. You can also use plywood or a lot of other scrap lumber that you have laying around. The way a French cleat works is you have two angled boards. One of them goes onto your wall. This is the one that you can use to span studs. So you got good anchor points. This one's a little too short for that, but I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And the other piece is your matching 45-degree angle attached at the back to your piece that you want to hang, and it will slot in like that.
All right, first thing we're gonna do is take it to the chop saw and cut it to length. You want your French cleat to be about 75% of the width of your piece. Then we're going to set our table saw to a 45-degree angle and rip your board down the center. Now level your French cleat against the wall with the bevel facing out, and you want to span at least 2 studs to get good support on the other side of the wall. Now attach your French cleat to the back of your piece. Now mount your piece against the wall by matching the two 45-degree angles.
All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the tools that we have here at Maker Playground or French cleats, drop them in the comments. Thanks.